Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to make the fonts thinner or thicker in the Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, the first step you can do, you can open this Adobe Illustrator and you can continue to click create new. And after that, you can choose the preset details, for example, the name of your project and also the width, height, orientation. And you can also choose the measurement. For example, I will choose it to become centimeter. And for example, I will choose this width and also the height and click create. And after that, this will be the blank page to create your own project. And after that, I will also adjust the zoom, for example, make it to become, okay, it's bigger. And after that, you can start to type the text over here. Click T in for the type tool, like this. And if you would like to adjust the size, you can actually choose the size over here. And you can also create it from scratch by clicking this selection tool. And I will also give it the combination with Shift, and I will click this section and drag it down. So the size is gonna be precise. I will give you the difference if I don't give the shift. This is the condition if I don't give the shift button like this. However, if I use the shift, so the effect, or when I do the or enlarge the size, the position can be more stable. And after that, if you would like to make the font thinner or thicker, basically you can try to use the fonts that has been provided by this Adobe Illustrator. There are thick and also the thin font. And you can also adjust it from the stroke. You can keep this selecting or keep this text being selected. And after that, you can go to this type and click this create online. And after that, you can go to this stroke. And for the weight, you can start to do the experiment. What if I would like to make it bigger, so the text gonna be more thicker? And if I reduce this ET, so the text gonna be more slimmer, like this. So basically you can choose this stroke to create the text to be more thicker or thinner. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.